So we've got the red key in, immobiliser faults. And the immobiliser light's still staying on. And if you watch the red light flashing, turn it on. One flash, 3 fast flashes, 1 flash. Now that's an error code. Okay, got the black key in here. Turn it on. Dashboard is so much quieter. Check engine light still on. Right, these are flashing, no temperature. Keys flashing, no temperature. So keys flashing, I think that means the key is recognized. Turn it off. Press and hold the dashboard button on this side and then turn it back on. Hold it, keep holding it. Now, this is the errors that are coming up, the error code messages. So 38, 37.3. Need to find out what they are. And then turn it off. So I've taken the key out and I've turned the bike off, but the headlight's still on. What's going on? Okay, so the technician's manual is showing that you can get into the diagnostics and I can find the error codes here. We were 38, number 38, the can line, which we suspected from when we did the red key test and got the red light to flash. It was telling us that it was a communication error. And 37.3, right, which is the serial cable. So 2 problems going on there. Couldn't find anything wrong with those wires with an ohms meter, so we're going to have to do a load test and run a light through that cable and see if they are broken. They're not shorting anywhere, but they could be broken and can't carry a voltage as well as they're carrying the ohms. So that's the next test. So if you pause, you can have a look at what all those codes are. Alright. Okay, now we're going to do a load test on the serial communications line. Because it tested okay with the ohms, it may not be okay with a load on it. So we've got the battery, positive, running down, connecting to a wire, going into the pin where the serial wire comes to, then positive runs through the wiring harness and it comes out at the dashboard, which we've got connected here. Then that wire comes down, we've got it connected here to a light, so that's the positive feed to the light. Then on this side of the light we've got the neutral, runs through to the battery, and then we'll tap that on there and we should get a light. There you go. So the wire can handle a load.